My name is Richard. I'm 67 years old. In my younger days, I was active, biking, gardening, even chasing my grandkids around the park. But something changed after I turned 60. I started feeling weaker, especially in my legs. Carrying groceries became exhausting. Walking up the stairs left me breathless. And one day, I bent down to tie my shoes and struggled to stand back up. That's when I realized I was losing muscle. Magnifying glass tilted left doctor visit and the shocking truth. I went to my doctor, who ran a few tests and then told me, "Richard, this is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It happens to almost everyone over 60. I was shocked. I always thought slowing down was part of aging. But I didn't know it was avoidable. So I started researching. Reading articles. Watching medical videos. I learned that adults over 60 can lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade unless they fight back. Egg, the one food that changed everything. In one medical video, a doctor said, if seniors ate just one food every day, they could preserve and even rebuild muscle. That food? Eggs. Yes, eggs. Simple. Cheap. Powerful. I was skeptical. But I thought, why not try? Tear off calendar, I started eating 2 eggs every morning. I boiled 2 eggs each day. No fancy supplements. No expensive diets. Just 2 eggs, a slice of whole grain toast, and some fruit. Chart increasing week 1, small changes. I noticed I wasn't as tired by mid-morning. I didn't need to sit down as often. My balance improved slightly. Chart increasing week 3, real results. I walked longer distances without stopping. Climbing stairs became easier. Even my posture improved and my back pain started fading. A friend even said, "Richard, you're looking stronger." That made me smile. I felt stronger too. DNA: why eggs work so well for seniors. Here's what I learned about eggs. High-quality protein helps rebuild muscle fibers. Leucine, an amino acid that directly triggers muscle growth. Vitamin D supports muscle and bone health. Choline, great for brain function. Easy to digest and full of healthy fats. Plus, they're affordable and available everywhere. Flexed biceps, not just for muscles, for confidence. Rebuilding muscle isn't just about strength, it's about independence. It means you can stand longer, move easier, and enjoy your life. Speaking head, my advice to every senior watching. Don't wait until you fall, or until your legs can't lift you up. Start small. Eat 2 eggs every morning. Walk for 10 minutes a day. And believe this: your age does not define your strength. If you're over 60 or know someone who is, please share this video. This simple food might change their life. Speech balloon, comment below if you've tried this or have your own tip. Bell, and don't forget to subscribe for more